Hi, I'm Evelyn Lundstrom. Thank you for downloading the My Safe Colours app. Having the right colours in your wardrobe will not only brighten your mood, but have your skin glow. In this short video, I will show you just how easy this app is to use and how useful it is for coordinating what you already have in your closet with items you plan to buy. The colours in this app will also have you looking sensational, fresh and alive. They are also known as universal colours and they work for everyone, regardless of skin tone, hair or eye colour. However, your personal preferences will determine which of these colours become your favourites. Please set your screen to 40 to 50% brightness so that the colours are displayed as accurately as possible. Different devices will display them brighter or softer. You will now see a fan of universal colours, and you can swipe left or right to see, to view all the colours, which are divided into three sections, those being universal colours, pastels, wardrobe basics, including your business neutrals. To select any colour from the fan, you can touch any colour showing its unique colour name, and you can touch it again to expand it out to full screen mode. In this mode, it's perfect for choosing garments, accessories and eyewear frames in colours you know that will work for you. Remember, this app is a blending tool and you are looking for a good, not necessarily a perfect colour match. When you tilt the screen at different angles, you'll see variations of the colour you've chosen. All of these variations do sit within the universal range of colours. Touch any colour in full screen mode and it'll expand back to half screen mode again. Here you have the option of closing that colour and selecting another colour. By swiping the fan left or right, you can select a colour that appeals to you. Now we'll talk about the colour collection bar at the bottom of your screen. You have fun creating various colour combinations using this area at the bottom of your screen, and it's a great way to see how colours work together when planning your wardrobe. To create a colour collection, simply select and hold a colour in the fan until you see the colour shown in a small screen with a plus sign. Pull that colour down into the colour collection bar. You can select up to 5 colours for any colour selection. You also can create and save up to 10 individual collections. By swiping left across the colour collection bar itself, this will automatically take you to the last collection, and you can make up a new template to start a new collection. If you already have a particular garment in your closet and you want to shop for something in a colour that will go with it, do your colour coordinating in this app before you hit the stores. This is easier than carrying the garment with you while shopping. Plus, you've already planned exactly what you are looking for. To remove any colour from the colour collection bar, simply tap the colour to be removed and pull it up out of the bar. You will notice a row of 10 dots at the foot of the screen. The highlighted dots tell you which of the 10 collections that is currently on view. There are also gemstones and metals to suit everyone as well. To view this information, go to the user guide and select the Jewellery and Gemstones tab to view the gemstone colours and jewellery metals that sit within the universal colour range and work for everyone's skin tone. If you want to find out about the colours that specifically suit you and to your individual colouring, and you want to find a definitive colour consultant near you, select the Contact Us section, and you can either leave your contact details for us to reach you, or you have the option of emailing us directly. If there's a consultant in your area, we will put you in contact with them. Otherwise, we can organise a colour consultation for you via Skype. We invite you to play with and wear the colours that you may not normally choose for yourself. People tend to gravitate to colours they feel comfortable in because they've worn them for many years. Yet this is your opportunity to express yourself using colour in ways that enhance your mood, your complexion, and have you stand out for all the right reasons. I invite you to enjoy the Colour app. Thank you.